Today, we're replacing the battery in a vintage LiftMaster Code Command garage door transmitter, Model 6417. According to the label on the back, this remote was manufactured by Chamberlain for LiftMaster. There's very little information still available about this particular model, but its construction is simple. One button, one circuit board, one 9-volt battery, and a single screw holding the casing together. Because this remote is several decades old, handle the plastic casing and internal components carefully. Start by sliding the button cover open on the front of the remote. Next, turn the transmitter around. On the back, you will find one screw holding the entire remote together. Use a Phillips screwdriver to remove the screw slowly. The casing and internal components are supported by this single screw, so work over a clean surface. This will prevent the button, circuit board, or any other loose pieces from getting lost or damaged when the remote comes apart. Once the screw is completely removed, place it somewhere safe. Carefully lift off the back cover. Inside, you will immediately see the old 9-volt battery and the original circuit board. Before removing anything, take a moment to look at how the battery, board, and button assembly are positioned. Carefully lift the circuit board and battery out of the casing together. Disconnect the old 9-volt battery by holding the snap connector and pulling it away from the battery terminals. Avoid pulling directly on the wires, as they may be fragile due to the remote's age. Take your new 9-volt battery and connect it to the snap connector. Make sure the connection is fully seated and secure. Place the battery and circuit board back inside the remote in the same position and direction as before. Check that the button lines up correctly and that none of the wires are caught along the edge of the casing. Carefully reinstall the back cover and align the screw hole. Insert the screw and tighten it gently. Do not over-tighten it, because the older plastic could crack or the screw could press against the circuit board. Slide the front button cover back into position. Finally, press the button and test the transmitter with the garage door opener. If the door responds, the battery replacement is complete. That's it! Your vintage LiftMaster Model 6417 remote should now be working again.